Today I paint my shoes. I'm ready for my shoes. I paint them.
What colors?
Pink and pink, like me and blue.
There are colors. What colors do you want?
I want pink and blue. I'm opening it. I can't open it. Yeah. Be careful.
That.
Oopsie.
Which color is that one?
It's red. Look at my shoe, Dada.
What are you doing?
I'm painting your shoe. Hey, I'm painting. I like white. It's ugly. I don't like that. White there.
Okay.
I don't like that.
Okay.
I want to paint my shoe.
You like color. You want to add color to a white shoe. Make it fun.
Give me white.
You just said you didn't like white.
I like white. I do white. You paint this one. I paint that one. When I my shoes, I paint the shoes. And then I stuffed them.
Thanks, Ryder. I think they turned out pretty cool.